Welcome everyone and thank you for joining me today as I share with you one of my favorite fish to cook and eat. It's super quick and easy to prepare. The meat is tender and it's so yummy with rice. My kids love it. One of the reasons I love this fish is that it's already cleaned for you and all you have to do is take it out of the freezer, defrost it, rinse it, give it a good scrape to make sure all the scale is off and it's nice and clean. Then you pat it dry and it's ready to cook. I normally purchase mine from Chinese supermarkets and they can be found in the freezer section with the rest of the frozen seafood. Once you've scraped off all the scale, you're going to give it a good rinse, pat it dry, and then place it on your steaming plate. I like to add julienne ginger and julienne orange peel. The orange peel actually gets rid of the frozen taste from the fish. Steam the fish until it's thoroughly cooked. And the way I check is I glide the chopstick, and if it glides right through, I know it's cooked. This is optional, but I prefer to remove the excess fish sauce. Then I add some green onion, drizzle some seafood soy sauce, which is less salty than the regular soy sauce. Then I'm going to heat up some oil and then drizzle the hot oil onto the fish and green onion. Now, this is my favorite way to prepare steamed fish. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious, simple, quick, and easy recipe as well. Remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment to let me know what type of recipes you want to see more of.